Hello and welcome to another tutorial by BlenderTek. I haven't come up with a name for my coding portion yet, so I'm just going to use BlenderTek for now. I'm going to show you a very quick video of how to install Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Express for C# programming, and from there we're going to go on to create some simple programs. So you go to Google and you type in Microsoft Visual C# 2010 Express. It's a free program. It's as powerful as anybody would need to be. There is Visual Studio 2013, but that costs money. It has all the languages in it, but you can also just get them separately. You see we have C++, C#, Visual Basic, Visual Web Designer, etc. I'm going to download Visual C# 2010 Express. That's the program we will be using, and we're going to download it in English. Install now. So it will download the web installer, open it from wherever you download it to, it will extract. Now it says free Visual Studio trial up here. That again is the professional program that has all the languages in one. We don't need that, especially when we're just learning to code. So I already have it installed, so it brings up this screen. But what you would do is you'd install it, you'd choose all the packages, etc. You would choose where, just choose the default path, and that way it'll organize your projects well, etc. So once it's finished installing, then we're going to open it. So go to the start menu or the desktop or your quick launch bar, wherever you installed it to. I happen to have it pinned to the start menu. I do have Visual Studio 2013. But that's just for more complicated stuff. So we're going to open Microsoft Visual C# 2010 Express. This is the splash screen. You need a registration key after 30 days. It's free. After 30 days, it will not run without the registration key again. Getting the key is free and very quick. It's just to let Microsoft can track you, I'm sure. But anyways, I've got 2 days left on this installation on this computer, so we'll just forget about it for now, because I'm too lazy to do an email verification. So we are now greeted by the start screen. I believe stock doesn't have the error list showing, nor output. This would be the stock start screen that you see. When you're ready to create a program, you would go New Project, and you get a bunch of choices. You can make a Windows Form application, and it gives you a description of it, a WPF application, a console application, a class library, which is a DLL. That's something that your applications use as extra data and information to bring into the program, a WPF browser application, or just an empty project. We are going to be working with just console applications, and you see we have installed templates Visual C#. If you have bought Microsoft Visual Studio 2013, it has tons of languages in here. I think well over a dozen, but this one, since it's C# Express, we just have Visual C#. So we would start our first application by choosing console application. We would give it a name. We'd call it Hello World. Hello World is always the first application you create, and you hit OK. And this will bring up our code screen. So you can see here we have our code all right in the middle here, ready to be written in. We have the Solution Explorer, which is kind of like layers in Photoshop. I'll get more into that later. And Properties, which tells you a bit more about what you've got selected and some options that you might be able to change. So that's it for now. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write a simple Hello World application, and we will go from there. Thank you for watching another tutorial, and please hit subscribe and like the video if it was helpful for you. If you dislike it, please leave a comment to tell me why. Disliking it and just leaving is not helpful for anyone. Leave a comment, tell me why you disliked it and what I can do to improve my videos in the future. Thank you.